It all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are Mahker. Hi guys, welcome to episode 3. This is the Defender, and tomorrow it's going back to its owner. Cannot wait for his excitement to get his hands on this car. We gave this car a 2.3 litre Wipple Supercharger. This supercharger is made in the USA. Wipple are renowned for building the best superchargers known to man, so we went with one of those. This engine is an LS3 with some nice internals. After giving the car the top end love, we decided to work our way down. We started with a 6.2 litre Corvette V8 with some upgraded heads. And then we decided, because the car is going to be boosted, i.e. the supercharger, we gave it some serious exhaust manifolds. In the form of these, we spoke to our friends at Alinox, and they made us these amazing titanium exhausts. So we gave these cars these 2-inch headers, and these are just beautiful. As you can see, the heat from the exhaust has turned these a beautiful golden blue colour. We've gone down from a 2-inch header into a 3.5-inch secondary. The secondaries then go into an X-pipe. The X-pipes then go into our silencers where we've got the valves. This system, so at the back, the customer wanted a duplex exhaust system. We gave him this valve system here that's operated by this little Bluetooth remote. This Bluetooth remote allows you to go valves closed, which gives it a nice quiet tone, as you can hear now. But also, for when the 18-year-old wants to come out inside you, you can open them. And as you'll tell now, the valves are fully open, there's no silencers at all now. And as you give it a little blip, and you don't want to hide that beautiful V8 noise. So we're going to close them, as it's a significant difference. We gave this car 700 horsepower from the supercharged 6.2 litre V8. So this car needed some big stoppers. As you can imagine, it accelerates well, so it needed to stop well. So we gave the car these 370mm 6-pot brakes. They're not for the faint-hearted in the braking world. You stand on the pedal and these do exactly what you asked them to do. We gave the rear 330mm 4-pot calipers. We coupled these onto some billet bells. All these components are made by AP, so they carry UK approval. Down here behind these lovely calm wheels, you can just see how snug the calipers fit. We gave this car a calm body kit. We started off with a wide arch kit, and then we went for the front end as well, which the customer fell in love with, so we made it happen. We gave them these lovely wingtops. These are from Uproar. They're stainless steel, double layered, they give a great look. The billet work, we went with Optimil, just because the quality of Optimil's work is second to none. Puddle lights, as you'll see here, lovely touch, especially on the champagne paint. These side rails, stainless steel, very arduous, especially if someone else comes up the side of the vehicle. We gave the car billet door handles. Same again, it's the thing that you're going to touch every day, so you want something that feels nice in your hand. These billet surrounds, these really emphasise the back of the car, make it look chunky, make it really stand out. We went with an Optimil rear reversing camera. Just makes it that extra special and you can see where you're going. We gave this car a satin matte paint job. It was super, super tough to get this finished perfect, because you can't mop it, you can't take any scratches out of it, you can't take any blemishes out of it. It has to be gun finished. And our friends at the paint shop did an amazing job. The audio system that we've installed in this car is an Alpine head unit, Audison tweeters and mids and crossovers. We've given this car an Audison 8-inch sub as well that is mounted under the rear seat for that all-out bass. We gave this car a 6-speed automatic. This is found normally coupled up to most Chevrolet trucks. So this is the shifter here. You've got sport mode all the way to the back. You've got sport shift on the top. You can toggle forward, toggle backwards, up and down your gears. We coupled that transmission to a 2-speed Atlas made by Advanced Adapters. This is one of the strongest transfer cases out there. The lovely thing about this transfer case, it allows you to go all rear-wheel drive. You can go all low rear-wheel drive or all high rear-wheel drive. And you can go 4 high, 4 low. We wanted to make this car extra special, so we decided to get rid of the horrible awkward handbrake that normally lives here. And we gave this car this really sleek button here. So as you press it, a couple of seconds, As you can hear there, it puts the electronic handbrake onto the rear. We have put 2 electronic calipers on the rear axle, so you don't no longer get that horrible judder that Land Rovers normally suffer with. We love this, really neat touch, and it's just modernising these old girls basically. We gave this car this Dakota digital dash. We love this dash simply because it's so customisable. And with having an aftermarket engine in the Land Rover Defender, we wanted to keep an eye on things like oil pressure, most important things like coolant. And unfortunately in the Defender, you've got super basic gauges. We wanted to keep an eye on all the important things like intake air temperature, fuel pressure, all the little necessities that you really want to keep an eye on when you're running a performance vehicle. It's got a beautiful hex stitch interior. It's got Fox suspension to complement the air suspension. This air suspension kit is made by DriveRight. So the kind of thing you get on your Range Rovers, Discovery 5s, that kind of thing. What I love about this air ride is that from a push of a button, you can change the ride of the car. So you can go from full bump, say you need to access your low entry garage, or you can go, this is your road, so I'll press this. A little button like that, the green illuminates, that means the car's about to move. And as you can see now, the vehicle rises up. Normally it raises the front first, as you can see. These beautiful 7-inch Trucklight LED headlights. You want to see where you're going when you're going fast. Roof bar, this is a 48-inch laser linear light. This light literally lights up for miles. We've loved building this car from the ground up. We hope Barry enjoys driving it as much as we enjoyed building it. It's going to be sad to see it go, but it's been one hell of a build, and we hope to build more like it. Here's a few shots of the car on a shakedown drive in Wales. Head over to our Mahker Instagram to see the full video.